do do doobie doo wah ba ba ba. Hello friends, I'm back with part 2 of my mini fall tags. I really enjoyed this project. I guess it's kind of like ATCs but smaller. I don't know why, I just like working with the smaller area. So the main tools that I used during this session was an ephemera pack from Tim Holtz. That's what these butterflies are from. I think it's like a botanical themed ephemera pack, and you see that paper I had right there. I just used some cardstock and I used my stamps and stamped on it with brown ink. Most of the stamps I got from the Target dollar spot, or I got this pack from Amazon a while back of cling stamps, and it is like the best deal ever because it has so many different words in it and you can just like mix and match in different fonts. It's just great. And then I'm using some ribbon here from Michaels, cupcake holder from Michaels, and I also use a glitter glue pen from Dollar Tree a lot. And what else do I use in this? Oh yeah, sticker packs from Michaels. So I bought a few of their harvest time, Thanksgiving time, $1.50 sticker packs. And I just love putting stickers down. So I just had a great time doing these. Some of my favorite tags from this batch are the ones that have the magazine images on them. And then I also love these ones that have the washi tape because they just have such a bohemian vibe to them. I just like mixing and matching different patterns and textures and colors. So those are really fun for me. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I'm using chipboard stickers from Michaels. I mean, not from Michaels, from Target. But they don't stick very well, so I have to glue them, as you'll see. I love to use that glitter pen just to make little elements pop. Like I just put some glitter on the flowers that were in that washi tape. It's just a fun little touch that really makes a big difference. Plus, who doesn't like playing with glitter that's not going to get everywhere? Glitter glue is the best. This is one of my favorite tags. I just love the little touch of the baker's twine with a bow on it. I've never done this before on a tag, but it's just so cute. They're kind of tedious to get to like look right, but like I said, I like to mix different textures, so it's really fun having this textile texture on the tag too. And there's my little bat. I just cut him off of a ring that I got from Dollar Tree. I told you guys, I think in the last video, I'm not doing Halloween this year, just trying to do fall stuff, but I love bats, so I had to pick some bat rings up from Dollar Tree when I saw them there for the Halloween, with the Halloween stuff. This is my other favorite tag here. It's just so fun. It turned out so funky. In a good way. Are you guys looking forward to Thanksgiving? I really am. My daughter and I are going to drive like 3 or 4 hours to go to my mom's house. She has a cabin out in the woods, and we're going to take my dog too. And it's just so peaceful to be out there in the woods. And she loves to cook, so I'm just excited to have the relaxing time out in nature and with family. What's your favorite food that you have, like that you have to have at Thanksgiving? For me, I think it's green bean casserole, but I like it like with all the processed stuff in it. So I like it with the canned cream of mushroom soup and the, what are those little things called on the top? The like canned fried onions. So good. And then recently, my other favorite dish is, it's kind of like a sweet potato pie, but it's like a side dish. So it's sweet potatoes with brown sugar and nuts and butter on top, and you bake it so the top of it's like crusty and sweet. It's so yummy. I know I'm weird, but I really don't like marshmallows, and unless they're covered in chocolate. And I definitely don't like them with sweet potatoes. When I eat sweet potatoes, most of the time I put salt and butter on them because I like them savory, but if I gotta have them sweet, that's the way I like it, with brown sugar, butter, and nuts on it. Okay, now I'm hungry. I just love Thanksgiving because I love the spirit behind that holiday of giving thanks. And that's something that I'm trying to do in my daily life every day. And when I've been finding that when I'm more thankful, just for all the little different blessings that I have, like being able to eat a hot meal, or having the choice of what clothes I want to wear in the morning, or having running water, or being blessed with the family and friends that I have. It just makes my day so much better, and it makes other people's day better. I'm more willing to like give a smile to a stranger, and usually when I smile and say good morning to somebody, they smile back, and I can tell that it just warms their heart or brightens their day. Just those little things make a huge difference, and it's not only encouraging to the other person, but it's encouraging to me too. So just like, I would just encourage you to try to cultivate that attitude of thankfulness in your everyday life, and not just wait for Thanksgiving. I started a gratitude journal that I'm using a mini happy planner, and every day I just write down things that I'm thankful for. Like, I try not to do generalized generalized things that I'm thankful for. I just write down specific things that I'm thankful for that happened that day, or if something happened that day that then leads me into something more generalized, I write that down and I decorate it with stickers, and it's just so, I don't know, it's so encouraging to me, and I can just flip back through and seeing, even if I'm not reading it, just seeing that I have all these things to be thankful for, it just warms my heart and lifts my spirits. And on days when I forget to write something or don't write something, I usually go back and just fill it in with stickers or washi tape so it at least looks pretty when I flip through it. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, just let me know in the comments below. I do have some pictures of it up on my Instagram account, so you can go over there and check it out. It's Lamb with a Plan. I really got a lot of mileage out of these little sticker packs. Those little wood embellishments, those little wood butterflies, I got those from Lidl a little while back. They actually have some good craft supplies there sometimes. I got a sewing machine there recently. And this piece I'm gluing down right now, that is a piece of trash. That was the wrapping or the packaging from my scratch and sniff washi that I got from Michael's. I just love using trash in my art though, because it's like so symbolic of what our creator does with us. Like, we should be trash, like we should be not trash, but you know, we failed him, we sinned, we've fallen short of his glory, but he still takes our broken pieces and puts them back together and makes something beautiful. So I just love using trash in my art because it's so symbolic to me, and it helps me be thankful for that. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I really had a great time putting all these together, and I'm definitely in the fall spirit. So many thumbs up. All right, I'll see you guys next time.